Hello Edublockers, my name is Sam and welcome to the Edubot series. In this episode, we will be checking out the Edublock app and connect it with the Edubot. But to do that, we first need to download the Edublock app. Head on to Google Play Store and search Edublock. Select this one and install it on your device. Well, I have already installed it on my mobile, so let's open the app and see what's inside. As soon as you open your app, it's going to ask you to connect with your Edubot. So let's connect it to our Edubot first and then check the app's features. Select Connect and the name of your Edubot and it will automatically connect itself to the Edubot. As we have connected our Edubot with the app, we can head on to checking the app. At first, you can see there's the play option, where you can play with your Edubot and turn it into an autonomous car, check the temperature, and a lot more. If we move over to this side, we can see Games option, and this is where you can solve challenges and know about how the Edubot works. And if we swipe all the way to left, we can see the Ultimate Coding option. This is the main game changer on which the Edublock platform is based on. Here you can program your Edubot and make it do a lot of fun things or program your very own personal Arduino project. As we have been overviewed about the app, then let's see it in action. Open the play feature and here you can see a lot of buttons with a joystick and a text saying hello. As you have already guessed what the joystick does, well yes, you're right, it's used for controlling the Edubot. And here you can see a bulb icon. This button here is used for turning the lights on and off of the Edubot. Here we can see kind of a thermometer icon and it is used for seeing the temperature. The smoke icon gives us data from the smoke sensor and then this kind of horn-shaped icon is used for switching on and off the buzzer on the Edubot. And for the last button, it's quite an interesting one. It looks like there are two location icons tracing out a path on this icon. Well, this icon is used for measuring the distance of any objects in front of the Edubot. But wait, this isn't the only purpose of it. Remember, I said we can turn the Edubot into an autonomous car? Well yes, this button here not only does measure the distance but also turns our Edubot into an autonomous car. You can see after pressing this button the Edubot has now become an autonomous smart car and is avoiding any objects in front of it. Well, this will be for today's episode, and in the next episode we will be introduced with the game feature where you can know about how the Edubot works and also the basics of it. Until then, stay tuned and see you next time.